In front of me is Redmi 17 and today I would like to show you how you can delete a password from Passwords Manager. All you need to do is go into Settings and scroll to choose Google Services. Then tap on All Services here, and when you're ready, scroll to choose Autofill with Google. Now click on Google Password Manager. Select any password you wanna delete and enter your screen lock. Then hit delete twice. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!